A vast, dark ocean, a chilling night. The air is calm, almost serene, until a massive ship looms in the distance. Its name is Titanic, a name that history will never forget. But why? What unseen forces lie beneath this majestic facade? An orchestra plays, laughter echoes through the grand halls, but outside, the icy water waits. Hidden dangers lurk, unseen by those aboard. Who would suspect that such a night would end in disaster? April 1912. The Titanic is the crown jewel of the White Star Line, built in Belfast, designed to be unsinkable, a floating palace. On board are the world's elite, wealthy industrialists, celebrities, and hopeful immigrants, all embarking on a journey across the Atlantic. The world watched in awe. Luxury beyond imagination. First-class suites rivaling the finest hotels. Ornate dining rooms, a swimming pool, even a gymnasium. Titanic is more than a ship. It's a symbol of modernity, a testament to human ambition. But beneath this grandeur lies a gamble with nature and fate. The crew is confident, the passengers relaxed. Titanic begins its maiden voyage from Southampton to New York, a voyage filled with hope and dreams. But the sea is unpredictable, and the iceberg warnings, they go unheeded, an oversight that will soon prove catastrophic. April 14th. Night falls on the North Atlantic. The temperature drops. The air is frigid, but inside, warmth and celebration. Iceberg warnings have been received, but the ship presses on, steaming at full speed, a decision that will haunt history. 11:40 p.m., a lookout spots something, an iceberg directly ahead. The alarm is raised, orders are given, engines reversed. The ship turns, but not in time. The iceberg scrapes along the starboard side, a shudder through the vessel, a silent harbinger of doom. In the moments after, confusion reigns. Many aboard are unaware, but below decks, water pours in. Compartment after compartment floods. The unsinkable ship is sinking. Slowly the realization dawns. An unstoppable chain of events has begun. Panic spreads. Lifeboats are uncovered, but there aren't enough. The reality is grim. First-class passengers take precedence. Chaos on deck. The orchestra plays on, a futile attempt to calm the inevitable. But the clock is ticking. Wireless operators send distress signals. Nearby ships respond, but they are too far. The Carpathia rushes to the scene. But can it arrive in time? The icy water claims its first victims. Hypothermia, the silent killer. Eyewitnesses recall the chaos. Lifeboats lower half empty. Desperate pleas from those left behind. But there's no turning back. The ship continues its descent, a monstrous groaning sound. Metal twisting, breaking. The unthinkable is happening. Bow sinks below the waves, the stern rises high. Passengers cling to anything. Final prayers, final moments. Titanic breaks in two, a thunderous roar. Then, silence. The great ship is gone, swallowed by the ocean. Survivors float in the icy sea. Darkness surrounds them. Cries for help echo into the night, but hope is dwindling. Hours pass. Then a light appears on the horizon. The Carpathia arrives. The rescue begins. But not everyone is saved. At dawn, the scale of the tragedy becomes clear. Over 1,500 lives lost, dreams shattered, families broken, the survivors forever scarred. Titanic's maiden voyage, its last, a monumental failure in human judgment. Sir, investigations follow. Inquiries demand answers. How could this happen? Was it hubris or fate? The ship was said to be unsinkable, a myth that led to complacency, lessons learned at a terrible cost. Changes are made. Lifeboat regulations tightened. Iceberg patrols initiated. The shipping world vows, never again. Titanic's legacy alters maritime history, but the haunting memory remains. The ship that was lost, but never forgotten. The wreck of Titanic lies 2 miles deep, undisturbed for decades. In 1985, explorers discover her, a ghostly reminder of that fateful night. Artifacts recovered tell stories of lives interrupted. A poignant museum beneath the sea. Over a century later, Titanic captivates. Films, books, exhibitions, an enduring tale of ambition and tragedy. Her story resonates, a reminder of human frailty, nature's indifference, and the eternal quest for answers. In the depths of the Atlantic, Titanic rests, a symbol of hubris, a testament to loss. Her name etched in history, forever linked to that cold night when dreams met the icy reality. The story of Titanic stirs the soul, a cautionary tale, a challenge to remember. As long as she rests beneath the waves, her legacy will endure, a solemn reminder of the price of overconfidence and the fragility of human endeavor.